Alright, hello guys. When you first create your Facebook ad account, you might see a message like this, that is to help maintain the integrity of meta advertising. Please review and accept our non-discrimination policy. This non-discrimination policy is a very important policy set by Facebook, and this major non-discrimination policy is a way that Facebook is using to regulate the usage of their platform. And what does that mean in simple terms? It means that every individual, you must make sure that whatever you are posting, whatever content you are creating on the platform, whatever you are advertising on the platform, is not against the discrimination policy of Facebook. So ads are discriminatory when they are when they deny opportunities to individual or groups. It's against our policy to discriminate based on certain personalities or character. When you are working based on race, ethnicity, national origin, religion, age, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, family, marital status, disabilities, and other major factors. So all these kind of factors can be discriminatory, right? So if they are discriminatory, then Facebook would not allow your ads to run. You'll see that here is this now. If you accept the discriminatory policy, target you must make sure you are targeting an ad for a job at a supermarket to all individuals eligible working age. Do you see that? Now, if it is discriminatory, that means you are targeting an ad for a job at a clothing shop in a way intended to exclude women. You see that, and discourage them from applying. So sometimes some of you will get set up an ad, and maybe you are just trying to target just women, specifically, and you don't want men, or you are targeting men, you don't want women to be able to get the access to it. So those kind of ads would get rejected, and if they run for a while, they might get disallowed by Facebook. So this is one of the major things you must consider. So to learn more about this, you might have to go through these details of policy here, and check out all these links here. Another thing I also feel is important is that you must understand that when you accept this policy, you have reviewed and you have decided to abide by the advertising policy and all applicable laws, and you have also promised that you will not use meta advertising for any wrongful discriminatory practice, right? So the major thing I'm trying to point out here is how you are setting up your targeting to make sure that your targeting is not discriminatory, right? You're not targeting based on religion, discriminating people based on religion. Though there are ways around these kind of ads that we can use to make sure that you can get the kind of people you need for your product. You understand? So, but there's a way you set it up that it will not be discriminatory, right? Maybe you are targeting people based on their body size. You understand? Fat people or slim people. No, you don't use words like that, right? So there are ways you target your create your ads, what you use. You can search for ChatGPT to help you out with that, right? So that's the essence of making this video, to be able to tell you that the discriminatory policy of Facebook is very important for you to keep to it. All right, see you in the next video. So all you need to do here is to accept this discriminatory policy, and then you see that Facebook is thanking you for accepting the non-discriminatory policy. You may periodically ask to review this policy to maintain compliance, right? So once you are done with that, you click on done, and that is all you need to do. Then you move on to all other things you need to do, but it's important for you to accept the discriminatory policy. Thank you. See you in the next video.